Ugh, this again? Stop, just stop. Get up, throw that nasty meal prep away, and food prep with me today instead.
I have got to turn you guys onto something you absolutely needed in your life.
It's not going to work at all.
I'm filling a roasted veggie bowl with pasta and a little bit of cream sauce and either shrimp or tuna, so we're gonna make that. Y'all, it looks and smells so good. I just went to Trader Joe's because that is my grocery store of choice, but we're going to have to clean out the refrigerator because that is just not going to work. It's not going to work at all. I cannot put new groceries in there when that is looking like a hot mess. So let's do that first. Alrighty, let's get to cleaning. Can you tell how much I don't feel like doing this? But we're gonna do it anyway because we can do hard things. So let's get to cleaning.
That's gonna go in my future master, so I don't want.
Now that we have that cleaned out, we can go ahead and put my Trader Joe's groceries in. Alrighty, so got cucumber. I want to roast some vegetables. So I got some zucchini squash and some carrots that will go in my vegetable roasting. Some baby broccoli, and then not so baby broccoli and cauliflower salad because I was there. Trader Joe's salad is trash. It just is. Like, it just does not last. Look, I can already see a little bit of a something right there. Anyway, but I was there and I didn't feel like going to another store, so that's what that was. That salad and arugula. The arugula is actually really good. Got some mushrooms, some kombucha because I always have to stop and get myself a kombucha treat, an onion, some avocado oil spray. Got these protein bars, and that's all. Let's put it up.
Not a total baddie, but a vast improvement.
Now that things are clean and I know what I have, I want to do a little bit of food prep so that I can have stuff to eat throughout the week. It's summer and it is super hot, so a lot of like vegetables and fruits and building my meals around those foods just sounds really good to me. So I'm going to roast some vegetables. I'm thinking some broccoli, cauliflower, some all sorts of good stuff. Then I also want to prep some pasta to be able to have and eat on throughout the week. I'm gonna cut my fresh veggies that I have. I'm gonna see what else I have in my refrigerator that I can prep so that I'm more likely to eat it as opposed to have it just sitting in the refrigerator doing absolutely nothing. I didn't buy a lot of proteins this week, or actually I didn't buy any because I still had some left over from before. I have tuna. All I need to do is open the can so I can use that with a meal at some point, and also some shrimp. I'm filling a roasted veggie bowl with pasta and a little bit of cream sauce and either shrimp or tuna, so we're gonna make that. I need to prep those foods and then have that for dinner.
First, let's start with the roasted veggies. As I said, I have broccoli, baby broccoli, cauliflower, onion, and I realized I had sweet potato. I put these in first because they take the longest. After the other stuff, I put in the zucchini and mushrooms because they take a lot less time. Right now, I'm working to lose a good 10 to 15 pounds and doing it through a 6-week reset, focusing on my food and working out. Prepping foods like this is really great because I have multiple opportunities available that align with my goals and allow flexibility to not eat the same thing continuously. I also love to have a few fresh veggies on hand. I'm not generally a snacker, but sometimes your girl just wants to munch and really anything will do. This is a great option for those times.
I have got to turn you guys on to something you absolutely need in your life. So Trader Joe's, of course, has the best seasonings. Salad is trash, but the best seasonings. And they have, so this they've had for a while, this cheesy seasoning blend. But these are a couple of new ones that I picked up on a few rounds ago of going to Trader Joe's. They have this ranch and then they have this pickle seasoning. Put this on your fresh veggies. It is so delicious. Promise you, you will eat more fresh veggies or cooked veggies or whatever because it's so delicious. So delicious.
So delicious.
Okay, so this was my first time making sticky rice, and let's just say it was just not cooperating. Pro tip, read the directions. There's like rinsing and soaking and washing, and yeah, very similar to if IKEA made rice. You gotta do everything. So while I waited on that, I moved on to the pasta. Y'all, check out this sushi rice. It was being mad disobedient, but I think it's all right. Wow, that feels super sticky. Alrighty, so we now have all of this food that I have prepped. We have rice, a little bit too much sticky rice, some pasta for my carbs. I have a ton of veggies, so we have fresh veggies and we have roasted veggies. I also prepped some boiled eggs. Again, I did not prep any like chicken or shrimp or anything yet, just because I can do that when I get to it. I also don't have any chicken, so I guess that's a reason. Hello, it is a few hours later and I have worked out and showered. I am feeling refreshed and starving, so it's time for dinner.
final product. This is my dinner. I am so looking forward to it. Y'all, it looks and smells so good. I'm pretty proud of myself. Let's take a first bite. Oh, that is so good.
I'm going to dig into this, watch some YouTube, edit some videos, and go to bed. While I do that, make sure you remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends. I hope you enjoyed this food prep and know that you are just on time to live the life of your dreams.